We are surrounded by technology. It's entering our homes and helping us automate daily tasks. But I find myself thinking there has to be a more natural and accessible way to control the devices around us. If the goal of automation is to simplify our lives, why does it feel so complicated? Our goal as a company is to solve this. Say hello to Naki. Naki is a small, elegant device that instantly transforms ordinary surfaces in your environment into remote controls. Using Naki couldn't be easier. Simply take it out of the box, pick a place to put it, select a surface to attach it to, and then define all the things you'd like Naki to do. Naki can control a wide variety of devices around us. But the true beauty of our technology is that what it can do is only limited by your imagination. Put one in your living room, or the kitchen, or even your bedroom. I mean, imagine rolling over in the morning and tapping a simple pattern anywhere on your nightstand to snooze your alarm and start the coffee maker without even opening your eyes. You just bought 10 more minutes in bed. And you'll definitely want to put one in your kid's bedroom. It's exciting to think of how Naki will spark their imagination as they figure out all kinds of ways to use it.
Using Wi-Fi, which is proven to be far more reliable and with better reach than Bluetooth, you can enjoy using Naki from anywhere. The number of devices and software that Naki interacts with is rapidly growing every day. It currently includes Nest, Philips Hue, LifeX, SmartThings, IFTTT, and more. But even if you're new to the smart technology world, you can still use Naki for simple functions around your home. Other technologies that rely on sound or voice control can be unreliable and confusing to use. They can be triggered accidentally and don't always work as expected. Our patent-pending technology uses non-acoustic sensors. It's able to distinguish deliberate tap or knock patterns from random vibrations in the environment.
The beauty of our product is that it makes any regular environment into a user interface. Think about the surfaces around you. So many of them serve one or two purposes. Add a Naki to them and you instantly have a hub for automation. We carefully chose every material and finish for Naki. We've gone through a series of different tests and prototypes to make sure that Naki blends in your environment and also looks beautiful on your surfaces.
We're doing our first production runs here in the USA because it's important for our entire team to be there on the ground floor, ensuring that we're manufacturing the best possible product. It's not some far-fetched idea. We've finalized our designs, we have a beautiful working prototype, and we need to raise funds to actually get it into production and immediately start shipping them to your door. We couldn't be more excited about how this product is going to change lives and bring joy to people everywhere. Naki accomplishes what technology is supposed to do. Instead of taking over our life, it enhances it, allowing you to put more thought and effort into the things that really matter. Tap into the world around you with the magic of Naki.
The cool thing about Cyan is that it has solar panels on the entire car body, so the sun recharges the battery during the day, even if it's cloudy. We use polycarbonate to protect the solar cells. Polycarbonate has the advantage of being unbreakable and scratch resistant, and it's even lighter than glass. With a total area of 7.5 square meters, solar cells recharge the battery up to 30 kilometers a day, additionally to the normal range. This car is perfect for a commuter who drives every single day to his work and in the evening back home. Or for a camping lover, because the Cyan supports bi-directional charging, so you can plug in all your electronic devices you have. Just imagine, you have electricity wherever you are. No worries about the range, no worries about the costs. Or even just for your everyday work, the Cyan provides you working tools with a power output of up to 2 kilowatts.
Another useful feature is our system called Resono. The special thing about it, we use a certain moss. It is integrated into the vents and acts as a natural air filter using electromagnetic charge. This moss filters out pollution like fine dust produced by the industry and combustion engines. It really requires no care since this plant draws its water from the air. It is also soundproofing and assigned in the fire protection class B1.